Hi, Care Fans. Today, we're gonna be learning how to pour her rice into this beautiful jar, but with this. It's called a funnel. Okay, let's start. This is going to be a little bit tricky. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have to do slowly. Bye, Care Fans. And remember, be yourself and never change. Carabella out.